This right here is probably the easiest and cheapest mod you could do to your 86. What's up everybody, welcome back to another video. And in this video, we're going to be installing the side markers to my 86. And this is something that is very cheap, very easy. It's going to change the look of the car. I went with the white. There is a smoked and I like smoked, but I think it's gonna look great with just the white, since the car is white and I don't want to do black housing headlights or taillights. I kind of want it to match. I'll leave a link on where I got these. I got these from 86 Speed. They're not a sponsor, but hey, if you want to sponsor your boy. These are called the Helix side marker lights. And they came with LEDs, and I chose to do amber because that way it matches my turn signals. You can do them at white. I was kind of debating which ones, but I went with the ambers. And these fit the stock, so you don't even have to have these. You could use just a stock bulb. You're gonna need a screwdriver with Phillips and a flathead, and the Phillips is to take the clips out. And then you can use a regular flathead, or I'm going to use this very small one. I'll show you real quick where it's at, if I could get this out of here. Jesus. Oh my God. The man is weak. Here we go. Right there. That clip right there, you want to unscrew, pop it out. And then I'll show you what the next step is. So there you go. That's your clip.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
So before we jump into the next clip, I want to give a heads up. My neighbors decided to start mowing their lawn in the middle of me making this video, so I apologize in advance if there's a lot of background noise. Get to A and to the B clip down here. You can get to that one and this one, but they're really hard. They're really hard to click off, and if you're gonna need one this small for the top one, or if not, you're gonna have to try to feed it from the side. It's really hard to get to. And then there's like these metal brackets down here that they clip onto. Simple as that. It removes, and then you have your whole corner light. Twist. You're gonna twist to your left, so it's gonna come like this. You're gonna twist to your left, it's like a quarter turn, and then it comes out. And this is the part where you can either keep your stock bulb and put the stock bulb back in, or you can replace it with an LED. You should never touch a bulb with greasy hands because it can ruin it. So I'm gonna grab this. Same process to put this back on. Put it in the way you take it out, quarter turn. Take it, clip it back in, sand it back down. Before I reveal the final look, which it looks amazing, I want to say thank you to everybody that's watching. Please leave a comment, subscribe, and click the notification. And let me know what you guys want to see in the next video. Let's get back to it. Here's a side-by-side comparison of the clear and the amber corner lights with the lights off. And here's with the LED on the clear side marker and the regular side marker on the other side. Hey guys, let me know what you guys think about the yellow amber, and if maybe you want to see it in a white. I like the yellow amber, but now I'm second guessing myself, and maybe I should do it white. The only reason why I went with the yellow amber light bulb or LED was because it would match my turn signal instead of it being a yellow or amber turn signal and a white corner light. But I don't know. Give me some suggestions. Should I do the white? It's an easy thing to change, so maybe I should. I still dig the look. The look is amazing. Obviously, the change from an actual amber corner light to a white one is a lot better. I dig the look a lot. For sure looks a lot better. So that was it. That was me installing the corner lights on my 86, and it's a very easy and very inexpensive mod. They go for $50. One thing that I would say is be careful with those clips, because I broke one. I'm gonna order one now to get it fixed. See you on the next one. Peace.